back to another cooking video with Mixed Chop. We want to say welcome to our old and new subscribers. We appreciate you all for the support. For today, we're making a jumbo garlic shrimp. This is for the seafood lovers. For ingredients, we have our black pepper, garlic powder, 1 clove of garlic, our paprika, our bouillon seasoning, our jumbo shrimp, and lastly, we have our butter. So next we're going to season our shrimp. So we're going to add our 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of bouillon seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and lastly, we have half a tablespoon of paprika. We're just gonna mix all of this in. So we're just going to mix all these ingredients in. And also it's optional. You can take out the shells from your shrimp. We also have a shrimp fried rice video. If you want to check that out, go ahead, click, comment below and let us know how that video went for you. If you enjoyed it, if you used the recipe, let us know. So after seasoning our shrimp, next we are going to put our shrimp in a pot, in a pan. We have half a stick of butter, unsalted butter. We're just gonna let that melt. And I'm also going to add our clove of garlic in here, so that flavor is with our butter. Our butter is melted. I went ahead and just like broke my garlic into a few pieces for that flavor to go through our butter. So next we're gonna add our jumbo shrimp. I'm just gonna try to sear it on each side really nicely so it gives it a really brown, golden brown color. We're just gonna cook on each side for a few minutes, and then we're just gonna flip them around. So we're just gonna flip it on the other side. Look at how beautiful this one looks. I'm trying to get this same consistency, so I think I am going to shuffle my shrimp around. Seems like the pot has more heat in the middle over here. So I'm just going to shuffle them around. Smells so good. I can smell like the garlic coming up in the air. You can also make this spicy, but today we're not cooking something spicy, but it's your choice. You can add some heavy spice to it. And we're gonna flip this one around too. After that couple minutes, our shrimp looks so perfectly cooked. Look at this. They look really nice. So my shrimp is done. You can easily pair these with some rice, with some other vegetables as well. And this is like an easy recipe for like family member gathering, simple, intimate dinner, or it could be served as an appetizer as well. And our shrimp is ready to be served. Here's the final look of that garlic butter shrimp. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. Also, follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.